Hello friends! Right now, we are going to show you 5 best folding camping table. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Folding picnic table 2 feet. Portable camping table, adjustable heights, metal aluminum, lightweight foldable small outdoor card table with carry handle for outside indoor camp cooking barbecue beach. Black. Brand KCM-PLORO. Item weight 5.86 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 66 pounds. Frame material aluminum. About this item: easy portable assembly. It can be installed or folded in 1 minute. Folded to compact 15.7 inches by 11.5 inches by 2.8 inches size, and weighs only 5.5 pounds, easily carrying via the built-in handle. Lightweight for easy transport and storage. High quality material. Our picnic table is made of thickened aluminum alloy frame, which is very sturdy. The MDF surface resists scratches and stains, and easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp paper towel to remove stains easily. Versatile use. This small folding table is a multifunctional outdoor furniture for picnic, camping, beach, fishing, hiking, RV, party, and barbecue. It is also suitable for indoor use, such as office, table games, crafts, kitchen, bathroom, and living room. Number 4. Folding picnic table with storage net. Matte black aluminum folding table 23.6 inches by 15.8 inches. Adjustable height max 27.5 inches. Lightweight portable for camping, travel, grill, indoor. Brand Yihuko. Item weight 5 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 70 pounds. Frame material aluminum. About this item: matte black folding camping table, seamlessly blending rugged durability with sleek minimalism. Become the ultimate eye-catcher for luxury outdoor aesthetics. Sturdy metal construction, built with thickened aluminum alloy frame and reinforced triangular supports. Additional space. Storage mesh net can organize snacks and utensils, while S-hooks can hang essentials like water bottles and camp lights. Versatile indoor and outdoor companion, ideal for camping, grilling, picnics, fishing, RV trips, while a laptop desk, art station, craft table, or temporary coffee table. Number 3. Titanker folding camping table small, 2 feet. Small camp table portable with 50% extra space. Folding picnic table, portable beach tables, car camping essentials, aluminum light solid. Brand Titanker. Item weight 5.95 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 70 pounds. Frame material aluminum. About this item: all-purpose camping table with extra wings. Partitioned use, no more mess. You can also use it as a picnic table, beach table, patio table, bed table, etc. Just take one, you can have them all. Lightweight and strong load bearing. Our folding camping table is made of 90% aluminum and 10. Number 2. Folding camping table outdoor indoor. Picnic barbecue aluminum lightweight tall camping table. 3 height adjustable 25-inch max. 50 extra space with carry handle and mesh pocket. Small foldable table. Brand Colden. Item weight 7.4 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation 70 pounds. Frame material aluminum. Multi-height for all your needs. Adjustable heights 10.24 inches, 20.24 inches, and 24.80 inches. Let you use this table however you need. Whether for a 2-foot portable picnic table at a picnic, a mini folding table for snacks, or a tall prep surface for barbecues, it's a versatile choice for outdoor activities. Perfect for any adventure. Lightweight yet strong. Weighing just 8 pounds but supporting up to 70 pounds, this small folding table portable is made from 90% aluminum for strength without the bulk. Each wing holds up to 20 pounds, giving you extra storage space during outdoor trips. Compact but sturdy, ideal for your gear. Quick setup in 5 steps. Set it up in no time. Unfold, extend the legs, lock the side buckles, and open the wings. That's it. Bonus: it includes a mesh storage bag for your convenience, making this small foldable table a must-have for your next adventure. Number 1.
Sportneer Camping Table, adjustable height small folding table, 23.6 inches L by 15.7 inches W, 4 height with mesh layer. Compact and portable camping essentials for outdoor camp, garden, picnic, barbecue, dining, cooking. Adjustable height, 3 height, mesh layer, compact, portable, camping essentials. Brand, Sportneer. Item weight, 5 pounds. Maximum weight recommendation, 70 pounds. Frame material, aluminum. Adjustable heights, 4 fixed positions, 10, 14, 19.4, 23.4. Easily adopt this folding camping table for picnics, dining with chairs, card games, or barbecue prep. Portable and quick setup. This small portable table folds to 16 by 12 inches, weighs only 5 pounds, and sets up in under 1 minute. Perfect for car, RV, or motorcycle trips. Perfect for 1 to 2 people. This folding table measures 23.6 by 15.7 inches when opened and supports up to 70 pounds, making it ideal for any 1 to 2 person setup. The waterproof surface is easy to clean. Stable and durable. Built with an aluminum alloy frame, secure locks, and waterproof MDF tabletop, this outdoor folding table supports up to 70 pounds with excellent stability.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.